How many ways can ginger help you? Ginger. Let me break it down. Okay, let's clear up a misconception. Ginger is not a root. It's actually a rhizome. A rhizome is an underground stem. The ginger plant is an herb and grows horizontally. Ginger is part of the Zingiberaceae family. Yeah, I had to practice that one. Who else is in this healthy family? Turmeric and cardamom. Ginger is equal parts delicious and nutritious. Some of the benefits: treats nausea, motion sickness, indigestion, cramps. You can use it as an antiseptic, and it's a miracle worker for colds and flus. And most importantly, it's an anti-inflammatory. You know the pink ginger you get when you order sushi? That's young ginger. It's milder and it has softer, edible skin. Ginger is usually sold as a hand with fingers. When a recipe calls for a thumb of ginger, it means 1 inch. High five!